Alright, my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don't come your side, I don't come your domot with another breaking news, with another legit on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. The koko now be say, the House of Representatives, their minority caucus, don last dey yarn for compensation. Dem dey yarn dey give the federal government make dem try compensate the minors, the underage children wey dem arrest for allegedly participating in the hunger protest wey happen for inside major cities across we country Nigeria. Now my good people, all of us know the things and things wey go down on the first day of October for inside this year 2024. Normally first day of October na Independence Day, but this time around countrymen come use that opportunity to enter street to go complain, to go do protest about the things and things wey dey go wrong for inside we country, to go do protest about the hardship now wey don plaster for the lifestyle of the general public. And this hardship is proudly sponsored and brought to us by this current administration wey dey led by our current Presido Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, aka T-Pain, as im remove fuel subsidy for inside the year 2023. Now last week, images and videos of underage children wey dey arrested in connection with the protest e come spark local and international condemnation. Country people now wey dey inside our country Nigeria wey dey observe the picture and video dem para. Both men wey dey for abroad too wey dey observe the picture and videos of minor underage children wey federal government charge go court, dem begin dey shed tears because normally e no make sense. Dem come dey accuse the federal government officials of starving the underage children while dem dey in custody because the children were not looking healthy. Dem no resemble children wey dey see food chop at all, and e come as if the police dey no come care about their lifestyle. Now as dem come carry dem come court, na some kind lawyers wey be say their mind dey and dem come dey give dem biscuit and water. And the way the children take dey drag the biscuit and water, that na to tell you say omo dem dey hungry no be small. Now for inside one statement wey dey issued on Friday wey be the 8th day of November for inside this year 2024, this statement was very much signed by Oga Kingsley Chinda plus Ali Issa plus Aliyu Madaki and George Uzodinobi. And na these men be the minority leader plus minority whip, deputy minority leader and deputy minority whip of the House of Representatives. The caucus now come dey call for an investigation into the circumstances wey dey surround the arrest and alleged ill treatment of the protesters. And e no finish there, my good people. The caucus come still give accolade to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, sake of say im order the immediate release of the minors. Im drop order say make dem sharply release the underage children wey dem bin don charge with terrorism plus treason and arson by the Nigerian police force. And no be lie, my good people, based on observation from the things and things wey the House of Reps, their minority caucus, dey yarn for inside their statement, dis men no dey happy say the Nigerian police force go get mind arrest minors, come still even carry dem go court sake of say dem dey do hunger protest. According to how dem take yarn am for inside their statement, they say while dem dey give accolade to the Presido of we country wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu for im timely intervention, the caucus sef dey strongly advocate for a thorough investigation plus prosecution and disciplinary action against the individuals and the government agencies wey dey involved in this despicable, callous and inhumane act wey can lead to national disgrace and global condemnation. Say any person or any institution wey dey responsible for detaining those children in cell for around 95 days when dem suppose to dey at ten d school, when dem suppose to dey learn trade or dey practice vocations, or when dem suppose to dey do the necessary things and things wey go help them in the future, those men now wey dey responsible for detaining those children must be held accountable. And they must give them better punishment, use them as scapegoats so that nobody go try that kind of levels ever again for inside a country Nigeria. And if they consider the psychological trauma and health challenges wey the children now go don endure, if they reason the kind of things now wey those children don go through when dem dey for inside prison, e no make sense at all. That na why they dey yarn, that na why they dey urge, that na why they dey call for a quality therapy session to reform the children, and medical support must be provided as they reunite with their families. And they still dey call for immediate compensation so that the children and their families go use am take comot diasef from the hardship, from the pain and emotional distress wey dey don suffer during this period of unlawful de ten tion. All dis informate my good pipu na few of the many things wey the House of Representatives their minority caucus dey yarn for inside the statement wey dem drop about the matter. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. I still get another legit intel wey I wan share give the general public. The koko be say, as many people now dey para say the federal government get mind carry small children go court, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice wey be Lateef Fagbemi, he na senior advocate of a nation Nigeria. He now don come outside dey yarn say as the federal government carry those children go court sake of say dem commit offence, e no dey unconstitutional o. E no dey bad as some kind people down dey reason am to be. The AGF now come dey yarn say, he say according to the Nigerian constitution, trying to detain end bad governance protesters as e come be say dem be minor in the federal government court is not inappropriate given the crimes which they are charged with. As dem carry dem go court now, e make sense because say dem be minor no make any difference. They don commit be say they don commit. If like make dem be children, if like make dem be adults, say they go carry all of them go court all the same. Oga Lateef Fagbemi wey be the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, he now dey try to tell the country people say nobody is above the law, whether you be minor or you be full-grown adult. If you commit offence, just know very much say you are going to suffer for it. They go carry you go court and you go sleep for prison. Now my good people, I know very much say many country people now dem dey in support of the federal government and many people no dey in support. The things and things wey the minors abi the underage children now dem do, e no make sense. As dem come dey fly Russian flag for inside we country Nigeria, dey yarn say make Russia come take over we country sake of say things dey wrong. E no true make sense. But dem be children. They no understand say those their actions, e go get massive consequence wey they go regret at the end of the day. But even if dem commit offence, that one no mean say the Nigerian police no go give them food kwanu. As dem come carry dem go court, the children were looking so slim, so unkempt, so tattered and so hungry. Those kind of levels normally e no make sense. After they go come dey yarn say na the young ones na be leaders of tomorrow. But see am now say they don mess up the leaders of tomorrow for inside de ten tion. This my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey happen for inside with nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first receive the update and you go get am sharp. And try make you dey share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. I dey come your side again with another legit intel for you my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.